Hello YouTube, Santa Magic here with a, yeah, surprisingly, again, another bike just called Check. So I got a couple more new parts. Then we'll just start picking from. We got Odyssey bars, ODI long nut grips in black, Sun and Giant bars in chrome, Miracle stem that I got from my friend. He has a YouTube channel, I'll put it in the description. New part, oh, the grips are new. Grips are new, yeah. New part is a FSA the pig headset in chrome. I had a problem with it. I didn't have the right spacer, so I just threw a set of bearings in there. Yeah. Sapien fork, not that bad, you know, holds up. Quanda front hub with Primo Andes nuts with some straight gauge spokes to an Alienation PBR rim with the Fit FAF 2.25 plain black. I just got that today. Set of them, front and back. Moving on, we got a Vise seat close combo. Just got that a couple days ago for my graduation. Got KMC heavy duty chain. Run that shit tight like an Asian pussy. Black Label 25 tooth sprocket. Black Label 3-piece crankset with Odyssey twisted PCs in black. We got Black Label 9-tooth cassette hub with some straight gauge spokes to a Black Label rim. Another Fit FAF 2.25 front and back. As you notice, they seem to be on backwards, but you know, more grip, I believe. Biggest new part that I have is my frame. It was my graduation present. It is a Fit BF 2012 frame. Yes. Yeah.